Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's a quick tutorial on the new Alamar Cosmetics palette. Going in with my finger, I'm prepping my eyelids for a shadow. Super excited to try this palette. I actually received it in my June BoxyCharm subscription. Look at these colors. Amazing. Great for summer. Super fun colors to work with. Starting off with the color Cocoa Taxi and a Sigma E40 brush. I'm using this as my transition color, placing majority of the color towards the outer lid, slowly bringing that in windshield wiper motions. Taking a clean MORPHE E22 brush, just going back in and blending out any harsh lines. Taking a Luxie 231 and the color Tropical from the palette, starting off in the outer corner, slowly going up towards the crease, keeping that color pretty low, and then as I move forward or as there's less product on the brush, sweeping that in all the way to the front of the lid. Now going in with the Morphe E36 tiny detailed brush and the color Cafecito, keeping that in the outer V just to add some depth to the eyes. As you can see, I'm bringing it in slowly and keeping it low. With a Luxie 229, it's a little bit bigger of a brush. I'm just going over that color, bringing it in more and a little bit up in the crease. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light and a Wet n Wild small concealer brush. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease so that my eyelid color will pop. Here I'm just going back in with that color Cafecito and blending it into the concealer just so there's not any harsh lines, so it just doesn't stop from one color to the next. Now with the MAC 242 brush and the color Varadero, I'm going ahead and packing that color on the lid. And let me tell you, this color is stunning. I didn't use any Fix Plus or wet my brush. This color is true to its color. And on top of that, I went in with the Dose of Colors Teal No More New shadows just to make it pop a little bit more. But to be honest, they were very similar in color. Couldn't really tell. But it just added a little bit more dimension to the look. Taking the Sigma E36 and those two colors, Cocoa Taxi and Tropica, just redefining those colors so they don't get lost with the darker colors, and then that way the cut crease stands out more as well. For this look, I just needed a little bit more pop of color, so I went in with the EyeKandy glitter in Ballistic Berry, and this was the best idea. The look was already beautiful as it is, but this just made my eyes shine in every light. It was just amazing, so I'm really glad I added this to the look. using the Inglot gel liner in the color 77, just went ahead and did a quick wing and threw on some flutter lashes in Intoxicating. So here's the look with lashes and without lashes. What a difference that makes. For the rest of this look, I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back to show you the lower lash. Going in with the LA Girl Very Black Gel Liner, I'm lining the lower part of my lash line. Then I'm going to take that Morphe E36 brush and blend that out. With that same brush in the color Cafecito, just blending that out some more. And for my inner lower lash line, I'm taking the Morphe Locket Liner. So to complete this look, I'm going to go in with the color La Costa. I'm going to use that to brighten up my inner tear duct and highlight under my brow. Is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave.